Jamaicans Rushell Clayton, Danielle Williams, and Danielle Thomas-Dodd go for gold at Stockholm Diamond League. Jamaican female athletes Rushell Clayton, Danielle Thomas-Dodd, and Dannielle Williams go right back into action just a few days after the completion of the Jamaica national trials in Kingston. Today, June 30th, the three Jamaicans go into competition at the Stockholm Diamond League, being held in Stockholm, Sweden. The first of the three to compete will be Danielle Thomas-Dodd, who is scheduled to take part in the women's shot put event, to begin at 10:47 a.m. Jamaican time. She will be facing off against several other athletes in this one, including Oriol Dongma of Portugal and Chase Ely of the USA, who are currently ranked in the first and the second spots of the 2022 Women's Shot Put rankings. The next Jamaican competing is Rushell Clayton in the women's 400-meter hurdles, taking place at 12:47 p.m. She will be competing against hurdlers including Jessie Knight of Great Britain, who is ranked just above her on the world rankings, and Femke Bol of the Netherlands, who is ranked in the number 2 spot for 2022. Rounding out the competition for the Jamaican ladies will be Dannielle Williams, who will be taking part in the women's 100-meter hurdles, happening at 1:57 p.m. Dannielle goes up against other world-class hurdlers in this race, including Toby Amusan of Nigeria, Jasmine Camacho Quinn of Puerto Rico, and Devine Charlton of the Bahamas.